guys, today we will show you how we can mount our new RR kit for 1090, 1190, 1050 KTM. The start is quite easy. First you remove the windscreen from the holders. It's easy on 4 bolts. Then you take the holders up, and you have to remove each holder like this. After you are done with the hex, you remove also this metal plate. Guys, now you need to remove the bolts from the fairing. Here is the first one, here is the second, third, and here from inside is the fourth one. So you have the bolts out, and now it's a little bit tricky, so you have to take it at the turn signal like this and lift it up, because here is such a hook, so make sure you don't break it. The mask itself holds on 4 bolts. 2 up there, they are easy to access, no problem. And the low one, they are a little bit tricky, they are hidden here, so you have to take the hex, put it like this and get them out. Now you easily remove the mask and disconnect the headlight. The headlight assembly. Each headlight, each light, it's on 4 bolts. So 2 and 2, so you put it actually like this, and you put the M5 by 16 bolts. To finish the headlights assembly, you need to bolt on also the resistors. They use the M3 bolts, and here are the low holders. They are bolt on with M5 by 14, and they are bolt on from outside. Then to the top position goes the rubber nuts, and here to the low position goes the thread inserts, and they are inserted from this side. With the thread inserts, when you take any tool, you can easily align the whole of the carbon mask with the holder. So you do it like this, and then you can take the bolt and easily fit it. You take the nut inserts from the OEM mask and you place them here. One tip, before you cover it, just test the lights are working. And secondly, when is everything removed, it's good time to think of using this connection to the battery. So you can either place there something for your navigation or 12 volts socket or whatever you need, but it's better to do now than to disassemble it again later. Now it's quite easy. You plug in the OEM connector and then you insert the headlights into the original mounting points and you secure it. Part of the kit is a headlight cover and the sticker. The headlight cover has a protection foil from both sides, so sometimes it looks like it's scratched, but it's not scratched, just the foil. So just peel off the foil and then it's nicely clear and transparent. And you are getting also the sticker. It's optional, some people like it, somebody doesn't, so it's up to you if you'll stick it on or not. To better seal the headlight cover, you should stick around the mesh you get from us. So it's easier for you if you put the rubber nuts like this, and then you bolt on the plexi cover, and then you fit the mask on the headlights. You avoid happening that you push through the rubber nuts inside and you have to do it again and again. When inserting the mask, just make sure the carbon mask goes under the plastic black rim. Then you mount here and you put the holders with the original bolts into the original holes. Now mounting the screen. The beginning is quite easy. There are 4 bolts in the top. It's very simple. And then here are 2 bolts in the bottom. Our new kit should bring you 3 main benefits. The first one, you're getting strong LED lights that are certified for the road use. Secondly, the transparent windscreen should give you pretty good wind protection. And last but not least, in general we like the design because it's bringing the bike more towards the RADE look, which we like a lot.